basically I'm gonna click on install, and that's gonna take me to another page where the quality assurance will have another button. I need to click on install there, and then it will ask me, do you want to install? I'll say yes. And once I click that, it should be installing this app on my it should show up. Yeah, see, now it started installing the app. Okay, so now the app is completely installed. I can open it. So it asks me some question. Do you want to allow it to access your location? You should allow it. Do you want to allow it to access your microphone? We should allow it in case we want to do discussion with Watson. And then I'm gonna log in with my ID. This is the intranet ID. So then it has some splash screen that explain how this app works and what does it do. And it also tells you that you can use the microphone option instead of keyboard. By default, we set it to use the keyboard, but there is a setting to change it to microphone. And then click on enter. So now I'm inside this application, and what I can ask it, for example, is I can ask about utilization. And then it will ask me, do you like to see the utilization for your direct reports or for yourself? So I'm gonna say mine. And then it shows me my utilization, and if I meet the target or not. I can ask it again about utilization, and then it will ask me, do you want to see it for yourself? This time I'll ask it to show me my direct reports. And now it shows me a chart with the detail of how my team is doing, as well as each individual. I can select a specific person and see their specific utilization against their target. So here's different people in my team and their utilization. I can also see more details about them. I can also ask about leave. I'll ask about my direct report. And then I'll check one of them. And it tells me that this person has 15 days annual leave. Still he didn't take. I can check the details and so on. Okay. We added a special feature to be able to see other employees in your organization. So I think it will only be useful for you if you use the morph function, because then you can morph into somebody else in your organization that's measured against utilization and be able to see their specific utilization or their entire team's utilization, the entire direct report line utilization. So I think that's basically it. The other thing you can do is you can go into settings and you can change it from keyboard to microphone, but then it will start using speech to text. It's also asking for the language for the speak to text. You can change the language if you like to use a different language. And it also asking about your location. So because I enabled the GPS service, it sees that I'm in Danville in California now, but it should be able to see if you're in Tokyo